Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain about the components of CNC machines, that is, components of computer numerical control machines. The present scene, all the conventional machines are replaced by the computer numerical control machines in order to have its numerous advantages. And in the further part, in the next session, I am going to discuss the advantages and applications of these computer numerical control machines. Here I am going to discuss briefly how these machines are working. Computer numerical control is the automation of machine tools. It is automated operation of the machine tool. That is the CNC. Computer numerical control CNC machine is one in which the functions and motions of the machine tool are controlled by means of prepared program containing the coded alphanumeric data. CNC can control the motions of the workpiece or tool, the input parameters such as feed, depth of cut, speed, and the functions such as turning spindle on-off, turning coolant on-off, etc. Here in this one, the input what we are going to give, that is the program, computer program. That instruction, as per that program instruction, the machine works. That is the computer numerical controlled machine. The mainly a CNC system consists of three basic components. The three basic components are part program and program input device, machine control unit MCU, machine tool such as lathe, drill, press, milling machine, etc. Here, the whole, that is arrangement of this computer numerical control will take here. It consists of a input device, and what we are going to give as a input, and that is a part program, and that program, whatever is the computer program, and that is alphanumerical codes which are to be understood by the computer, and that will be displayed here. And this, whatever the input we are going to give in the form of program, that is operated by this machine control unit. Through that, first it is a data processing unit that converts that whatever the actual the program what we have input given into a understandable form of the format of that program to the machine control unit, and later that actual operation will be carried out by the control loop unit that will be operates that machine tool, how it will be operated. So by that one it will sense a signal, that is a motion data. It will be sense a signal that we will call as a motion data, which will give to the driving system that will fed to the machine tool. The machine tool, it may be lathe or milling machine, drilling machine, or any press like that. That will be operates as per the instruction. That means all the movements will be provided by the input program. The miscellaneous function what are required, that also we can send to this machine tool. The whatever the table movement, spindle rotation, and coolant flow rate, okay, then all the spindle axis rotation, all these things, whatever the data are there, those are to be sent back to the machine control unit through the feedback system. This actual positions of this whatever the machine tools are there sent to the machine control unit. Then where in the machine control unit it compares with the original data what we have received in the form of program. Then later whatever this any variations are there, those will be compared and corrected through the motion data. Like this, whole together, whatever the operation of the machine tool is there, that is controlled by the computer. That is the computer numerical control machine. That explanation of this, how actually working are the main three components, I will take here. The first one is a part program and a program input device. That is, the part program is a detailed set of commands to be followed by the machine tool. That is the program, the set of instructions what we are going to give in the form of program to the computer. Like that here also there is a commands are given. Each command specifies a position in the Cartesian coordinate system, the position of the table in the Cartesian coordinate system, and the tool. That is, or a motion, that is a workpiece travel or a cutting tool travel. The cutting tool also travels in all the three axes in the Cartesian coordinates, and the workpiece also travels. That will be specified by the command. The machining parameters and on-off function also it will be controlled by that command. The part programmers should be well versed with the machine tools, machining processes, effects of process variables, and limitations of the controls, CNC controls. Here if he well versed about this one, he can write the program for the CNC machine. Then the part program is written manually, that may be written manually in the computer through the keyboard, or by using a computer assisted language such as the APT, automated programming tool, that can be used. It will generate itself the whatever the program is required. Later the whatever the corrections are required we can do. The input device may be a program input through a keyboard or a stored programs. As I told you that one, we can input through the keyboard, or the stored program directly we can transfer to the computer so that it can follow it. That is the part program and a program input device. Next we will go for the machine control unit. The machine control unit, MCU, is a microcomputer that stores the program and executes the commands into actions by the machine tool. That stores and that will convert into actions of the machine tools. The MCU consists of two main units. One is the data processing unit DPU and the control loop unit CLU. The data processing unit DPU software includes the control system software such as calculation algorithms, translation software that converts the part program into a usable format for the MCU. That will convert it in. Then DPU processes the data from the part program and provides it to the CLU, which operates the drives attached to the machine, lead screws, and receives the feedback signals and actual position and velocity of the one of the axis. That actual operation and feedback receiving will be done by the CLU. Then moving to the last component, that is the machine tool. The machine tool which performs the actual machining operation could be one of the following. That machine may be one of the following. That is a lathe, milling machine, laser, plasma, that coordinate measuring machine, etc. Any of the machine which can be controlled by the computer. The machine tool consists of a work table, tool spindle, which are to be controlled by MCU. And this whatever the controlling are there, those are the movements. There are three linear axes XYZ, three rotational axes IJK, and other axes such as a tilt are possible. For example, a 5-axis machine implies any combination of this XYZ and IJK. The 6 are there, out of that one 5, any combination it may takes. And not only this axial movements, it also controls the rotational speed. It also controls the whatever the coolant flow rate. All these things also there in the machine tool. Machine tool in the operation the movements only, but CNC controls all the things. This is again we have shown here the program which is fed to the machine control unit, that is fed to the machine which operates, and the feedback will be taken from that one. That's about the very that is in the simplified manner the explanation of the components of the computer numerical machine I have taken.